So, Sage Grace.
What?
Tell me how you guys came up with the idea to decorate the inside of your tree fort.
We were bouncing on the trampoline.
Mhm.
Jack said, let's go tidy up the tree fort. So we ran and
Mhm.
tidied it up.
Tidied it up. It kind of looks like you did more than tidy it up.
Yeah. We put stuffed animals, hula hoops,
What else?
noodles, balls,
Yeah.
dirt.
The dirt was already here.
No, we put some more dirt.
You put more dirt in it to even it out, like to make it level. So, what's your favorite part of the tree fort?
Leaves, the sunshine, the sticks.
Yeah. What's been the best part of this day?
Nothing.
Nothing. This day's been rotten.
They treated me like poop.
The kids treated you bad. I'm sorry. I missed you though. That's why I came out here.
Why are you finish on radio?
Oh, I forgot. I was just telling you I missed you. We're gonna go make ratatouille. Do you want to help me cut the eggplant?
Sorry. Yeah.
Give mommy a kiss.
Oh, is